my name's Rick, and we hired Better Together Builders to renovate the exterior of our house. Been about 15-20 years since we had done anything, and it was time. Paint was peeling, cracking around the baseboards, and that. So we just needed them to come in and give it a facelift and make it look nice. So as you can see, they've done a wonderful job. Found out about them through Facebook. A lot of wonderful reviews. We interviewed about 6 different companies before choosing them to do the work. Again, we just, in our interview with them, we felt very comfortable. They really seemed to know what they were doing, seemed to care about the customer, and we chose them, and we've been very happy with them. So we, at first, initially, when they came out, took a look at the exterior. We kind of explained what we were looking to have done. She had some ideas in her head. We had some ideas in our head. We went back to their offices in Reseda. We met with them, sat down, and collaboratively came up with a game plan as to what we thought would look best for the house. Through the process, there was actually some things we wanted to change as we got into the work. We added additional work, and everything went very smoothly. They were very proactive in their approach to everything that was done, keeping us informed the entire way, costs and everything else, and just very happy with them. So during the construction phase, the building phase of the project, they had a crew that was here on site 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. They were very respectful of our area and of our space. Their attention to detail and their prep work was second to none. It was absolutely wonderful. Very happy with it. Yael came out and checked up on it and checked with us, communicated anything that we saw that we wanted to change or do differently. Very happy. We didn't have any issues at all. Eddie and his crew were phenomenal in their craftsmanship and their work. Product is wonderful. We're very happy. Can't recommend highly enough for Build Better Together to do your job in your home renovation. We're going to have some more stuff done in the future, and we'll definitely be using them again. Thank you so much.